What is good, family? It's your boy Ayem, and this is Ayem Sneakers. In today's episode, I will show to you what the fake pair looks like of the New Balance 1906D protection pack in Turtledove colorway. If you haven't yet already, or if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first one to get notified when I drop a new video. You can also find me outside YouTube, on Facebook and Instagram. All my social links will be included in the description box. And please do me a favor by smashing that like button because it helps the channel to grow. And with all that being said, let's go. A huge shout out to Yepkicks for donating this fake pair for free and for making this video possible. All their contact methods will be included in the description of this video. If you are new to this channel, we are doing this kind of content, the legit versus fake video, to spread awareness and for educational purposes only. As much as possible, we are not promoting counterfeit industry, but at the end of the day, it is your own hard-earned money and you can do whatever you want. But please don't sell UA or fake pair as retail or legit. That's totally unacceptable. Make sure to check as well the unboxing and detailed review that I did on the legit pair of this by clicking the link in the upper right corner of your screen. Or I will put the link in the description of this video. And without further ado, let's get into the detailed comparison.
Let's start comparing their boxes. Legit pair's box is bigger and the color is different. At the bottom of the boxes, fake pair has this white rectangular sticker with Chinese character. Checking the box label or size tag sticker of the boxes, they are totally different. I'm not sure if the China release pairs come with this box label. One of the legit indicators is the lift sticker at the top. All releases have the specific sticker. Inside wax papers are different as well. There is a color tone difference and the New Balance branding of the legit is bigger. The legit pair comes with the receipt, brown paper tag with lift, NB logo in green, and other white paper tags. Comparing the actual shoes, they may look exactly identical but have significant differences. Taking a closer look, the legit pair has a longer hair suede and the toe shape is slightly narrower. You can see as well the color tone difference, especially on the mesh material. The lacing pattern is different as well. This is a consistent difference of the fake pairs. The legit pair suede is slightly softer and feels more premium, but it's not totally bad on the fake pair. The N logo at the toe part of the fake is slightly bigger. There is a slight color tone difference on the laces as well. Stitching on the leather part of the tongue of the fake is slightly bigger, even the NB logo and running branding. The gray accent lace holder of the legit is darker. Comparing the lateral and medial sides of the shoes, and lock feature of the legit is darker. Red accent on the midsole of the legit has a brighter color tone. 1906D branding of the legit is smaller. The gray gel-like pillars of the fake has a darker color tone. NB logo of the fake is slightly bigger. There is a slight color tone difference as well on the cream-colored TPU heel clip. Another angle where you can see the difference of the N-lock feature and 1906D branding. Comparing their outsoles, New Balance branding of the legit is bigger and has a different font style. Both pairs come with these crumpled papers as shoe trees. Legit pair's insoles is in sail color but gray on the fake. Fake comes with this round yellow stickers. Flipping the insoles, fake has this glossy effect but a rougher texture on the legit. Legit insoles are way softer than the fake. Their footbeds are very different in terms of the material they used. The legit has this hole as well, but none on the fake. Inside size tags are very different as well, in terms of the font style, size, and details. Checking the shoes under UV light, broken line pattern is very noticeable on the fake pair. The same on the lateral and medial sides of the shoes. No difference on the back panel of the shoes. The inside size tag of the legit pair has more NB logo reflection than the fake. The red square and rectangular shape on the tongue of the fake has no reaction under UV light. It turns neon orange on the legit. The footbeds, outsoles, and insoles have the same reaction under UV light.
Again and again and again, like what I'm always saying, it is very hard to determine if a shoe is fake or not if you don't have the actual legit pair to compare, even in pictures. In fact, I did a poll on my IG story. Make sure to follow me so that you can participate. This is to see people if they can spot the fake pair. And unfortunately, there are still some people who are unable to spot the fake. It is what it is. I can't blame them, even me. If I see someone wearing this, or if someone is selling me this fake pair and I don't have the idea, or I don't have yet the closer look with the retail or legit one, I will not be able to spot that these are fake. That's why this kind of video is very essential, so that you will know what you are copying and you can be sure that you are copying the retail or legit or authentic one. I hope this video helps you a lot. Even your friends, please do share this video so that they can help others, and most especially to those people who are planning to cop a retail pair of the New Balance 1906D Protection Pack in Turtledove colorway. And that's pretty much all about this episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, cop what you want, rock what you love. See you on the next one. Peace, God bless, hanggang sa muli.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and